How to log into Amazon Prime Rewards Visa Signature Card. Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'm just going to show you how you can log into your Chase Amazon credit card account. For that, you first have to access your web browser. Go ahead and open up any browser on your phone or your laptop. Then on the search bar, you can just search for Chase Amazon credit card login. Now, once you search for it, just hit enter. Here, you should be able to manage your account for Amazon rewards. So go to this option right on top. And once you've done that, all you have to do here is just go to the sign in button at the top right corner of your screen. Once you tap on the sign in button, you'll be taken to the sign in portal for this website where you have an option to enter the information about your Chase Bank. So simply go ahead and enter your username as well as your password on the Chase Bank. Now, once you've done that, if you want to show the password, tap on show. And if you want the browser to remember your login info, tap on remember me. And in case you've forgotten your username and password, tap on the forgot username password option. And you should be able to recover your account. So that's how you basically log into your Chase Amazon credit card account. If you found the tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video down below and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next one.